Wheelchairtraveling.com presents Garrapta State Park. Located on the California coast between Los Angeles and San Francisco, in the Monterey Bay by Santa Cruz, and Carmel-by-the-Sea. Technically, it's not accessible, but it is possible. Right off the road, there is no accessible parking at this trailhead. Still, the bluff trail may be worth trying. Wide enough and firm enough, the trail winds through the trees. Many ocean views. A little caution with this cross slope. Pretty epic, right? So pretty. I thought it was worth it. Please like the video, subscribe, and click the bell to be notified of new videos. And visit wheelchairtraveling.com.